Hey everybody, Andy here, and I'm unedited. I'm unscripted, and well, I'm uncensored as well. Anyway, gonna mow the lawn today. I don't mind mowing my lawn. A lot of people don't like it. I don't mind doing it. It's got to be done. I don't have any set procedures for doing it. I just mow every 7 to 10 days roughly. I have a few acres that I mow. I don't mow everything every time. Sometimes I pull a tractor out, run a rotary cutter over it. You know, bush hog is the most common name for the rotary cutter. Can cut pretty much anything. You know, 2-3 inches thick branches. But basically, I use that when it gets, you know, more than a foot tall. But usually don't let it get that much. Not lately. I try to mow, keep it nice. I don't have any homeowners associations around here, so you know, no law enforcement agencies give me a hard time about the length of my grass or anything like that. There's no town ordinance or anything. I'm out in the country. We are out in the country here a ways. And anyway, really quickly, just a little tip. A lot of people don't know that do have to mow. One of the best things you can do to save you a couple of bucks is to get one of these things right here. It's a battery tender, float charger. It keeps your battery in top at an optimum charge rate. Keeps it fully charged. Basically, it's computer controlled, and it charges it and keeps it that way. And you know, I've had batteries for 10 years before in different vehicles. You know, a lot of people I know, they replace batteries every single year, every 2 years. I don't, so which is nice. But yeah, you know, I got this float. I keep it on this on my mower. Keep it on a motorcycle. You know, it's real easy to unplug it. You know, it's, I mean, you just unplug it and put the cap on there, and it's a little easier when you have two hands. And although I have two hands, I don't have both of them available at this time. Anyway, that's it in a nutshell. And then I have my tender mounted on this little board right here, so I can basically just kick it out of the way. But that's what I'm gonna do. And hey, I'm gonna go mow. I'm gonna show you how to quickly mow a yard. I really love this zero turn mower that I got a couple of years ago. I guess this is maybe the third season I've had it, I guess. I really like it a lot. Saves me a lot of time, and I like saving time. I like saving time a lot. Anyway, come back and see me, like me, share me, come back and visit. I'm Andy. I'm unscripted, I'm unedited, and I'm uncensored.